In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view Jira ticket history. It's an essential skill for anyone working with Jira. Whether you're managing a project or tracking team progress, being able to view the history of a Jira ticket can offer valuable insights into its evolution and help you understand the changes it has undergone over time. So let's dive in and explore how you can easily do this. To start, you should navigate to the Your Work section in Jira. Now this is like our central hub where all the magic begins. When you log in, you should see an option labeled Your Work on the top menu bar of your Jira dashboard. Think of this as your personal workspace, your launchpad where you can access your tickets, dashboards, and anything else that's relevant to your projects. Go ahead and click on Your Work to get started. Once you're on your Work page, the next thing you want to do is select the project you're currently working on or interested in. If you're not already familiar with your projects, this is a good chance to explore and get comfortable with them. Simply browse through the list of your available projects and click on the one that you want to view. This might be related to your current work, an ongoing project, or just something that piques your curiosity. This action will take you right into the heart of your project environment where all the actions, tasks, and tickets live. Within your chosen project, you need to find the relevant board. A board is like a digital representation of your workflow. It visually organizes all your tasks and tickets, helping you track progress from start to finish. You can usually find it under the board section, which is part of your project navigation options. Much like a whiteboard in a traditional office setting, a Jira board maps out projects and displays all the moving parts in a clear, manageable way. Clicking on your desired board will display the tickets and issues within that specific workflow. Now on this board, browse through the list of issues and select the one you want to dive deeper into. Typically your board will have several columns with different statuses such as backlog, in progress, and completed. Each issue within these columns represents a task or ticket associated with the project. Identify the issue you're interested in examining and click on it. This is where the real investigation begins as you drill down into the specifics of what you need to know. After selecting the issue, the interface will open up more detailed information about it. You'll find various tabs that provide different views and details about the issue. Your focus should be on the History tab. You can find this tab along with others like Details, Activity, and Transitions. Click on History to view the chronological log of all the changes made to that particular issue. This tab records every significant action that's been taken, such as status updates, field changes, comments, and even the modifications made by different users. Taking a close look at the History tab gives you a wealth of information. You can see who made changes, what those changes were, and when they happened. It's a transparent log that ensures accountability and helps you track the issue's progression. Suppose there are multiple changes. This feature can become particularly handy if you need to audit past actions, resolve discrepancies, or simply understand the life cycle of an issue. And there you have it, an easy pathway to access Jira ticket histories and ensure you're fully informed about your project's progress and any changes that have persistently refined its course. This is an essential tool for project managers and team members alike, providing clarity and transparency throughout the project's lifecycle. Remember, becoming fluent in navigating Jira and understanding how to efficiently find and use historical data can significantly enhance your project management skills. Keep practicing these steps to get more comfortable with the system, and you'll find that these insights can empower you to make more informed, data-driven decisions within your projects. Thank you for following along in this tutorial on how to view Jira ticket history. I hope you found it helpful, and until next time, keep exploring and mastering new skills in Jira.